This how-to is going to go over how to edit a user group. So if you have a user group and you want to expand its permissions or condense its permissions, whichever way it is, this will be how you would access that and can complete that task. So under your Welcome to VT3000, we're going to select the core software. And where we want to be is under user groups and administration. So you can select that here or use the icons, user groups. And so here's my groups that I currently have in the system. So for this training, I'm going to say I want to add panels to my reports only. So I'm going to click that and hit edit. And as you can see for the core software, I don't have any permissions selected, which I want to leave that way. Basically, from my reporting, is I'm allowing them to do this information, running reports and viewing reports. So what I was saying is that I wanted to add panel permissions. So you can just say that I want them to be able to view everything. So just check everything here. We can let them view the settings. We could say, okay, well, we want to allow them to add those panels or upload graphics or change the colors or make new rotating panels. So I'm just going to say this is what I'm looking to do. So just say like rename this reports and panels and hit save and exit. So now any user that was on the reports only now gets assigned to reports and panels only. So now they would have the same they would have the permissions that we just set up on this user group. Pretty much it's check mark what you want, what you don't want based on the application, and then you just save and exit, and that will give you those edited permissions for the individual user group. I'll take care of this how to, and I look forward to talking to you again.